Hey everyone, Sudeep here, and welcome back to Can Flexprice Handle It. Last week, we started a series where we look at the pricing pages and the structuring of the top AI companies out there who are constantly iterating on their pricing. And we started with Replit. We took a look at Replit's pricing, tried to replicate it on Flexprice in just a single prompt with our MCP server, and I wanted to show you how simple and easy pricing should be to understand. And in this episode, let's look at Cursor. Cursor has always been in the news for their pricing. Since the start and since the major change in their pricing in the middle, and even right now in 2026, a lot of people have different opinions on how Cursor's pricing works. Cursor's pricing looks simple on surface. You pick a tire, pay monthly, but underneath, it's actually a hybrid model where flat fee plus usage-based credits and a lot of other per-seat billing and unlimited access to a lot of other subset of features rolled around. If you can see in their pricing page itself, they also follow a monthly and yearly subscription, which you can see by nature. They have four different plans, which are individual plans to start with: Hobby, Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra. And all of these have different set of features with come with it. With the Hobby, you are said that you have unlimited, limited agent requests, limited tab completions, and as you scale through these plans, the different set of features that are given to you get broader and broader in nature. With Pro, you get access to MCP skills and cloud agents. With Pro Plus, you get 3x the usage of all the models that you're using. And with Ultra and more, you get more usage and a lot of other things which come coupled with it. Once you get to the business plan, you can see that it also has certain things like, SAML, role-based access controls, pooled usage, and a lot of other things, including usage analytics. Now, again, like I said, this can look very straightforward, but underneath, Cursor has a very tough pricing problem to solve because of the type of product that they're providing, which is essentially an IDE being used by teams which are smaller to big, and also the amount of usage is going to be varied everywhere. Now, with having understood how they actually go around their pricing currently and also how this works in nature, let's try to replicate this in Flexprice, and that too with one prompt. Now you got to have your MCP server connected for this, and then all that you need to do is go to your favorite agent or AI, that is, and ask it to replicate the pricing with MCP server or Flexpress. I'm just pressing enter, and let's see the magic happen. And voila, it's done. Now, if you go to the dashboard of Flexprice where your sandbox was connected, you can see that all the features, the plans, and everything would be created by the MCP itself. Now, if you go inside a plan, you can see that the charges is set. The entitlements are attached, and even credit grants are activated for the same, depending upon what the pricing was. Now, let's say I get into billing and get into one of my customers and try to create a subscription for the same. Then we choose the Ultra plan. You can see that right from the charges, which is monthly or annually depending, you can see that the credit grants, the entitlements are all attached and enabled according to what the plan itself had. But once all of that is done and you add the subscription itself, you can see that the wallet balances get created as per the things, and you can keep going on with invoices and all the other things as per usual. Understanding pricing and working with it efficiently is a must-have if you're an AI product company in 2026. Just like Replit or Cursor, like we saw in this episode, evolving and understanding your pricing, essentially also deploying it in the right way is very important, and that is what we are trying to serve at Flexprice. With our MCP server, updated docs for humans and agents, and a lot of other features which you would want as an AI company, including the intricate ones, I would love for everybody to try this same thing that I just tried on Flexprice and see how it works out for you. And I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep pricing well.